just a quick video what you can do if you have a little bit of stuff left over. So I got a pretty nice loaf of bread here. I'm just going to cut off a piece. And what I'll do is I'll cut up the sausage in half lengthwise. I already heated this up, and then I'm going to put it in the toaster oven on broil just to melt the cheese, and it'll be good. And it's a pretty good sized meatball. I don't think I ever did a quick sauce video. I need to do one because it's way easier than most people think. Making a sauce is simple. Even making a really good sauce is simple. You don't have, unless you're using fresh tomatoes, you ain't got to cook it all day like people think. All right. So I'll put a little sauce on there. There's a chunk of fresh basil right there. This is going to be another one of those messy on the beard numbers, which is fine. All right, so I'll put the sausages on one side. I'll put the meatballs on the other. Check it out. That's plenty good. That'll be a nice sandwich. All right. I got some fresh mozzarella. I'm going to cut it pretty thin, and you got to have your knife really sharp to do this, that's for sure. On fresh mozzarella especially. But I'm going to cut it really thin because I'm going to put it on both sides, and I don't want it overwhelming with cheese. I want a lot of cheese, but not where it's just, you know, too much. And that's pretty perfect. And then I got a wedge of parmesan. And I'm cutting that thin as well. That should do it. All right, I'll put that in the toaster oven, clean this up, cut it, eat it. All right, so I put it on the convection oven setting for about 5 minutes, and then I put it on the broiler setting for about 5 minutes. And boy, look at that! The cheese browned nicely. It's burnt my hands getting it out. Let me see if I can fold it over. This is going to be a mouthful. Look at that sandwich. That's nice. Leftovers. You can't go wrong with leftovers. In fact, I love leftovers. All right, I think this is too hot. Let's see. It's great. Meatball, sausage, fresh mozzarella, parmesan, homemade sauce, and a good piece of French bread. All leftovers. Great meal. It's just a simple sandwich leftover lunch idea.